Hi, this is Mr. Miller, the welding instructor at Lebanon CTC. Today I'll be going over a little guided tour of our welding shop. This is our welding shop. I'll go over some of the pieces of equipment that we have over here. But for now, I wanted to show you the 18 booth layout that we just redesigned this year using both AM and PM classes, working hard to open up the booths and to make it safer and easier to walk around. Now I'll be going over to one of our welding machines. This is our Miller brand welding machine. It is a Miller XMT 304 multi-process welder. This machine will weld the 4 different processes of welding that we'll learn through the 2 years of the welding program. This machine will weld TIG, MIG, both FCOL and GMOL welding, and arc welding or SMOL welding. Up here are the MIG feeders that we use with the MIG welding features. You can see it has hard wire on the spool. Go around, we also have our Lincoln electric powered MIG, also multi-process welders, which will do the 3 or the 4 types of welding that we need to do in the program. We also have new ventilation installed for the students to make sure that they are as healthy as possible when they are in here welding in the program. Walking around, you'll see this is a plasma cutter. We use this as one of the types of process we use for cutting. And we also have oxy-fuel, oxygen and acetylene cutting. This is a cutting table that we will use, and eventually we will be making a permanent movable cutting station. Now over to our machinery. This is our destructive bend test machine. This is where we come in, we'll make test plates and use them and test them as the students will learn to progress with the different types of welding. Now this is our Scotchman iron worker. This machine works as a shear to cut flat plate, angle, different types of angle, and also it will punch holes into metal with different sizes, either round, square, or oblong pieces. This is our AccuPress machine. This will bend different types of angles into the different types of metal that we will be using for the program for fabrication. Behind the press, you can see we have a drill press and a bench grinder, which also will be included in the program on how to use the machinery. This is our AccuShear. AccuShear will bend up to, or will cut up to 1/4 inch metal. It's a nice piece of machinery, saves us a lot of time on cutting. This is our flex ed area. As you can see, we have our inventory of our different types of piping, our pieces of flat bar, round bar, square bar that we'll be using in the program. And this is our bandsaw. It's a very nice horizontal bandsaw. It's a Marvel. It does anywhere from 90-degree all the way down to 45-degree angle cuts. Very nice piece of equipment. You can see here, this is our plasma cam, state-of-the-art piece of machinery that will allow us to cut different types of lettering into metal, but also very intricate cuts for other types of designs, all programmed with a computer, and the machine will cut intricate pieces of metal out for our fabrication design. We also have a robot welder, which we will use eventually in the program, which is another resource that kids can use for cut